Good afternoon to all of you friends. Now today discuss analysis of single stage common emitter amplifier using H equivalent circuit. Previous lectures have already discussed what done by H parameters. Now discuss the 4 H parameters. Input impedance, it is denoted by HI. Forward current transfer ratio, it is denoted by HF. Reverse voltage ratio, it is denoted by HR, and output admittance, it is denoted by HO. Again, I already discussed the H equivalent circuit for common emitter amplifier. According to the H equivalent circuit for the common emitter amplifier, now the two equations are find out. Vi is equal to HIE IB plus HRE V naught. Then IC is equal to HOE V naught plus HFE IV. Now today discuss the analysis of single stage common emitter amplifier using H equivalent circuit. First of all, discuss here current gain. Current gain is denoted by AIE. We already know that current gain is equal to output current upon input current. In common emitter amplifier circuit, output current means IC and input current means IB. Means the current gain is the ratio of output current upon input current, means current collector current upon base currents, means AIE is equal to IC upon IB. Means the ratio of output collector current IC to input base current IB is called as current gain. Means AIE is equal to IC upon IB, equation number 1. Let Z is the equivalent impedance of a parallel combination of 1 upon HOE in diagram. Z is the equivalent impedance of parallel combination. I have already discussed in previous lecture. Parallel combination of 1 upon HOE and RL means 1 upon Z is equal to 1 upon HOE plus 1 upon RL. This is nothing. This shows that this total is nothing but the output admittance. There is no equivalent circuit. This is nothing but the output admittance, and this is equivalent circuit. Means 1 upon Z is equal to HOE plus 1 upon RL. After calculating this equation, write in the forms of HOE RL plus 1 upon RL. It means that Z is equal to RL load resistance upon 1 plus HOE RL, and this is equation number 2. The potential from this figure, potential difference across the RL is equal to the potential difference across the Z. Potential difference is RL is equal to the equivalent circuit, equivalent impedance, means it is denoted by Z, both are same, are equal, means potential difference across the load resistance is equal to potential difference across the equivalent impedance Z. The IC upon RL is equal to, from this figure, impedance is equal to IC upon RL is equal IC into RL is equal to HFE IV multiplied by RL upon 1 plus HOE RL. From this, calculating this equation, IC upon IB is equal to RL cancel, means HFE upon 1 plus HOE RL. Thus, from the equation 1 and 3, equation 1 shows AIE is equal to IC upon IB. And equation 3, IC upon IB is equal to HFE upon 1 plus HOE RL. It means that from equation 1 and 3 we get AIE is equal to HFE or AIE is equal to HFE upon 1 plus HOE RL. Means HOE is very small. Then the current gain AIE is equal to HFE. It shows that the current gain of amplifier is approximately equal to the forward current ratio. Is equal म्हणजे AIE equivalent to HFE. This shows us that this is nothing but this shows that the current gain of amplifier is approximately equal to H parameter, hybrid parameter of forward current ratio of transistor. Okay, then discuss the second point, input impedance. It is denoted by ZIE, and as per equivalent hybrid parameter, input impedance shows the HIE. It means that in this equations shows the ZIE is equal to HIE. The ratio of input base voltage. Input base voltage means ratio of input base म्हणजे voltage between base and emitter, means VBE to input base current, means base current IB, is called as input impedance. Means ZIE is equal to VI. VI is denoted by the input voltage, and input voltage is always between the base and emitter. Means VB it is denoted by VI. Means ZIE is equal to VI upon IB. As we have VI is equal to HIE IB plus HRE V0. Since V0 is equal to minus IC RL, means VI is equal to HIE IB plus HRE equivalent means minus IC RL. Dividing the equation IB, we get VI upon IB is equal to HIE minus HRE in bracket RL IC upon IB. From equation 1 and 2 shows that ZIE is equal to HIE minus HRE RL AIE, because IC upon IB is nothing but the current gain. Here already previous discussed. AI means HRE means reverse voltage ratio is very small. The simplify the input impedance can be written as ZIE is equal to HIE. The input impedance of the amplifier circuit is approximately equal to the HIE, and it is nothing but the H parameters of input impedance. Then third parameter, voltage gain. The ratio of output collector voltage, means voltage between the collector and emitter, because emitter is common, and it is denoted by V0, to the input voltage. Input voltage means voltage between the base and emitter. means VBE and it is denoted VI is called as voltage gain. Then AVE is equal to V naught upon VI, but V naught is equal to minus IC means collector current into load resistance, means AVE is equal to minus ICRL upon VI. Divide and multiply by above equations. IB means AVE is equal to minus ICIB RL upon VIIB. AVE is equal to means minus AIE 1 upon ZIE RL, but ZRE is equal to HIE minus HRE RL AIE. Hence we get HVE is equal to minus HAIE upon HIE in bracket minus HRE RL AIE RL. After calculating this all the thing means AVE is equal to H minus HFE RL upon HIE. Then AVE is equal to minus HFE RL upon HFE plus HIE minus HFE HRE into RL. Means del H is equal to HOE HIE minus HFE HRE, means both are HRE and HOE is very small, means del H is very small. This amplifier voltage current gain, it can be written as AVE is equal to minus HFE RL upon HIE. The next parameter he discuss here, output admittance. Output admittance is denoted by ZOE. The ratio of output voltage V0 to the output current IC is called as output admittance. Means voltage between the collector and emitter is VCE, and it is denoted by V0, means output voltage, upon output current is called as output impedance, means ZOE is equal to V0 upon IC, and this is equation number 1. To find out the output impedance, is the input source is replaced by internal impedance and the AC source of EMF V0 is applied to the output terminal, means output voltage. Output impedance, this is replaced by internal impedance. Already internal impedance is calculated 1 upon HOE, and impedance source, AC source of V0 is applied to the output terminals, means it is connected to the output terminals V0. From the circuit base, IB is given by, if IC minus HFE IB is the current flowing through the resistance 1 upon HOE, the potential drop across the 1 upon HOE is IC is equal to IC is equal to HFE IB plus HOE V0. Now equation 1 we get IC is equal to, equation 1 is ZOE is equal to V0 IC, means equation 1 is equal to IC is equal to minus HRE V0 upon RS plus HIE HFE plus HOE V0. Dividing the above equations V0, we get ZOE is equal to 1 upon HOE. Then 1 upon Z is equal to nothing but the YOE. It is denoted by YOE. Means YOE is equal to IC upon V naught. Means write this above equation in the forms of reverse. Means HRE HFE plus HOE in bracket RS plus HIE divided by RS plus HI. It means that ZOE is equal to RS plus HI upon HOE is in bracket RS plus HI minus HRE HF. HRE means reverse alternate ratio is very small, means ZOE is equal to RS plus HI, HOE in bracket RS plus HIE, means ZOE is equal to 1 upon HOE. That is the output impedance of the amplifier circuit is approximately equal to 1 upon HOE of the transistor. Now this lecture is stopped here.